You're standing in the middle of your backyard, swatting at the air while a tiny, high-pitched buzz rings in your ear. It is the sound of a summer evening being ruined. Most people reach for a spray or a candle. But lately, everyone is talking about these black tubes you hang in your trees. It is the Spartan Mosquito System, and it has sparked a massive debate between people who claim it is a lifesaver and those who call it total hype. To understand if it actually works, you have to look past the marketing and focus on the biology of the bug. This is not a bug zapper. It does not use electricity or high-tech sensors. Inside those tubes, you find a very basic mixture of sugar and boric acid. It is essentially a toxic snack bar for pests. You start by popping the caps and filling the containers with warm water. That warmth is a critical detail because it helps the sugar and the acid dissolve into a smooth, enticing liquid. You shake it up until it is well mixed, and then you go for a walk. This is where most homeowners fail. They hang the tubes right on their patio or next to the grill. That is a massive mistake. You are basically inviting the entire local mosquito population to a dinner party right where you are trying to relax. The instructions tell you to move at least 80 feet away from where people gather. You want to lead the insects away from your skin. You need to find the shaded corners of your property where the air is still and the sun does not hit directly. Mosquitoes are fragile creatures that dry out easily, so they spend their days hiding in the shadows of bushes and trees. That is where you set the trap. Once they find the tube, they drink the sugar for energy and ingest the boric acid, which acts as a slow-acting poison. This is a game of patience and numbers. If you put these out in the middle of a heavy infestation in July, you are going to be frustrated. This system is designed to be a long-term population reducer. You have to get the tubes out early in the season, right when the first few bugs start to emerge. You are trying to kill the first generation before they can lay thousands of eggs in your gutters or bird baths. It is a war of attrition. The results are often inconsistent because every yard is different. If you have a small lot, you might actually draw more bugs into your space than you kill. But on larger properties, it can be a solid part of a bigger strategy. It is not a magic shield or a force field. It is a chemical bait station that requires perfect timing and smart placement. If you expect an overnight miracle, you will be disappointed. If you use it as one tool among many to slowly thin out the swarm over several weeks, you might finally get some peace on your porch. It is a legit concept grounded in science. But it only works if you play by the rules of the insects you are trying to outsmart.